Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the Rich Life. I'm joined today by Adrienne Walker. Welcome, Adrienne. Adrienne is the chief mixologist, the creator, founder, owner of Blue Henry, and they make fabulous craft cocktail mixers and garnishes.
Yes.
And I thought it would be perfect to have Adrienne here on the show to kick off summer at the Rich Life, because who doesn't love fancy cocktails and mocktails over the summer, right?
Gotta have some to spice up your party. Yes.
Yes, yes.
So happy to be here.
Yes, thank you. And you guys know that I love a good party, and I know how to throw some great parties, okay? But I don't know actually how to mix up drinks like you do. So what are we making today so that we can add to our summer parties?
Oh, we're gonna do 3 different things. The first one's going to be a hibiscus lime margarita. Looking forward to that one. Simple, easy recipe, nice, bright, and fresh.
Okay.
The next one we're going to do is a sweet tea, and that's a mocktail. We're not going to put any alcohol in it, but we are going to jazz that one up some special ways.
Of course, of course.
And then the last thing is a spiked watermelon. Not exactly a cocktail, but you're still going to get that cocktail kick, and I'm looking forward to showing that one as well.
Oh yeah, I want to try that, because who doesn't love watermelon in the summer, right? Who doesn't love cocktails and mocktails and all those fun things? So are we ready to mix it up?
Yes, we are.
All right, let's get started. Okay, so first up again, what do we have, Adrienne? What are we making?
So we're gonna make the hibiscus lime margarita. This is really nice and refreshing, not too alcohol forward. We're gonna have a little bit of tequila, but we're gonna balance that with some fresh lime juice.
Okay.
And then our hibiscus simple syrup.
Okay, and this is actually one of your syrups that you sell.
Yeah,
right?
Yeah, we have, this is a new one that we have for the spring, summer. But we also have other flavors, orange, cherry, tamarind, which has become really popular, ginger, lime.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah.
So you know where to get this good stuff from Adrienne's website, which is bluehenryspirits.com. Yes, yes. And also I want to point out too, here we've got your sugar.
Yeah, it's a sugar rimming sugar, and it also has a mild hibiscus flavor to it, and it's so gorgeous on a glass. So I can't wait to show you guys how to garnish it.
All right, our hibiscus lime margarita is all done. Or I should say, well, my hibiscus margarita is
ready,
all done.
It's ready for you to try, yeah.
But Adrienne crafted a perfect cocktail here on the show. Thank you, thank you. I'm so excited. This is my first official cocktail on the show. So let's see, let's try it.
I hope you enjoy.
Oh, I should try with the sugar rim, right? I love this flavor. This is really good. It's a really nice balance of the hibiscus and the lime, and the tequila is nice and smooth.
Yes.
It's not too overwhelming.
Yeah.
And the sugar rim is perfect.
Yeah, it just balances out very well. Yeah, I love it. It's one of my favorites for the summer.
You guys are going to love this too, and you saw how simple it is to make. Awesome. All right, so shall we move on to the next one? All right, so next up, I think this is kind of cool. We're going to do actually a mocktail and a cocktail.
Yeah, I mean, you always can turn a mocktail into a cocktail very easily.
All right, so tell us about our iced tea.
Yeah, I mean, everyone likes a refreshing, sweet iced tea during the summertime. So we're gonna do it, and we're gonna make it fun and interactive. And you know, you can even do like an iced tea bar, self-serve type of thing at a home gathering, right? So I mean, because you've got a lot of things to do. So if you can give one thing to the guests to do, that's always helpful, right?
I like that idea. I've never seen that before.
Yeah.
So, all right.
All right, so we're gonna do an iced tea. Now, because we're going to use a sweetener, we're gonna start with a unsweetened black tea.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
All right, so first, of course, we need to put ice in our glasses.
Okay.
And now we're gonna sweeten them with something so much fun here.
Yes, tell us about these.
These are cotton candy, lime flavored cotton candy. We call these divvies because it's like a perfect portion to add to your cocktail, and it's just enough sweeten in one. You don't need to add more than one.
Okay.
So we're just gonna take it and add it, and it will dissolve. That's the fun thing about cotton candy. Those things will dissolve in just about any, doesn't matter how cold it is. So this is lovely as it is, but you know, sometimes we do like to spike it up some.
So what could you add?
Yeah, I mean, you could add a vodka, which won't change the flavor of your tea and your lime.
Okay.
Or you can do like a dark rum. That'll make it sort of a little richer tasting.
Okay.
Both good options.
Okay.
To spike
all right.
a tea.
So notice now we have two because we're both partaking of the lemonade. Cheers. Oh, did I say lemonade iced tea? See, I think I might have had too much of the hibiscus margarita. So let me try.
It was good though.
It was. Oh, I love this.
Not
It's
too
not too
sweet.
sweet. I was gonna say that. Yes.
Everybody thinks cotton candy. Look, perfect portions, right?
Perfect portions.
Yes.
It's really pretty when it goes in, and I can taste the hint of lime, the extra hint of lime in the iced tea. Oh, this is good.
Good times.
All right, we are back with our final treat of the show. And speaking of treats, I am loving this lime cotton candy. It is so good. So again, make sure I'm like over plugging you today because the stuff is so good. It really is. I'm eating it all before Riley gets back home because I don't want her to eat it. But it's really good. So good. I'm just eating it by itself.
Good.
I don't even need a drink. But, and speaking of not needing a drink, our last treat is what?
Oh my gosh, this is so much fun. Spiked watermelon. I've done this at a couple parties. It is a huge hit.
I'll bet.
So it's like, anyway, it's a fun way, an alternative way to get your cocktail in.
Okay.
So we're gonna slice some watermelon, just in portion sizes, right? So you wanna make sure that you get, so people have a healthy amount, but not too much, right?
Okay.
Right? Nice slices like this is what we're looking for.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, guys, as if these spiked watermelon popsicles, is that what I'm calling them? Okay.
Sure, yeah.
As if these aren't enough, Adrienne has an extra special treat for us.
Yes, this is a bonus round.
Okay.
So we've got this really yummy juice that's left in there, and this makes just a nice, you can make, why throw it out, right? It's watermelon, it's lime, it's tequila. Put a little bit in a wine glass and make yourself a spritzer. So now we have another easy, refreshing summer cocktail. Yum.
Yum. So I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I've been eating while you've been working. This is so good. And I know that's really good too.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
Cheers.
Cheers. We are all done, and these were fabulous. And I'm glad I got someone who actually knows what she's doing to come do it, so I didn't have to do it by myself. Again, why don't we tell
But
everybody?
they're easy. You can do these by yourself.
I can now. Yes, I totally can. Why don't we tell everybody again what the finished products are now that we have them all together?
All right, so we'll try and do them in order if we can remember.
Okay.
So we did the hibiscus lime margarita.
Yes.
Special.
Yes.
A little bit sour, a little bit sweet. Yum, 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 yum. And then we did the black tea sweetened with lime cotton candy.
Oh, so good. Yes.
And our spiked watermelon, which is just fun, adulting on a popsicle stick.
Yep.
Lovely. And then our bonus was our spritzer, our watermelon spritzer.
I love a good bonus. I'm so glad you did that. I'm so glad you did that. I'm so glad you came by. Guys, I really want you to check out Blue Henry. It's bluehenryspirits.com,
Yeah.
right? And Adrienne is on Instagram at Blue Henry Spirits.
At Blue Henry.
Yeah. Oh, Blue Henry.
Yes.
Yes. Blue Henry. So make sure you check her out. Make sure you try these. Let us know how they go. And make sure you subscribe to The Riche Life so that you can stay up to date with all of the latest. Until next time, take care, everybody.
Thank you.
That's a wrap.
This was fun. You were so easy.
Ooh,
Oh.
I'm going to actually try the spritzer. I've been curious about this. Oh, this is another good one.
Yeah, you get like a little kick,
A
but
little kick,
it's
but
just enough.
It's refreshing. I like the Pellegrino in here. Oh, I'm going to keep drinking this now. Because I could drink this all day. That would not be a good thing.
Yeah.
Okay. And I love this one, but I think I would just eat the cotton candy, which
Well,
would not be a good thing either.
Yeah, I mean, we get that too because it's yummy.
And the popsicles. I don't think I can do any more of the popsicles. I think I'm done for the day, but I might let them marinate a little bit more overnight.
Ooh.
What do you think about that?
Yes. Midnight snack.